This Bijobi women's winter jacket. It's great. It's very warm. As you can see, it has fleece. The hoodie too. The hoodie is very big. The jacket fits super comfy. It has 4 pockets, 2 in the front with zipper, very deep on each side. The one here. Great quality zippers. Then it has 2 pockets on the side, also very deep. You can put anything in these pockets, your phone, your wallet, keys. This is a great quality jacket. The outside is waterproof, winterproof, completely waterproof. It's really cozy. It fits perfectly. I bought it a size bigger than I use because I like to use sometimes a sweater under or something, but believe me, with this jacket you don't even need a sweater. It has a really nice design. It's very well made. You can see the hoodie covers you completely. You can also brush the hoodie if you want, make it even more bigger and cover all your face like a mask. You can see. It has zippers on the side, just in case you go on a car for too long and you feel uncomfortable. Just open the zippers and it will allow you more space to feel comfortable. There's one zipper on each side, as you can see. This one has one. So the one is already open. You close it again when you're ready to get down. Nice jacket, highly recommend it. It will be the best jacket you ever own, and it will last for many years to come. As you can see, the zippers go up and down very smoothly with no problems. I love it, and you will love it too.